How do you calculate your net pay from your paycheck? Imagine getting your paycheck and wondering exactly how that final number was made. It's like a puzzle where each piece tells a part of your earnings story. Let's break down how to find your net pay, the amount you actually take home after all the deductions. First, you start with your gross pay. If you are paid a salary, take your annual salary and divide it by the number of pay periods in the year. For example, if you earn $52,000 a year and get paid weekly, divide 52,000 by 52. If you are paid hourly, multiply your hourly wage by the number of hours you worked during that pay period. Don't forget to include extra earnings like overtime, bonuses, commissions, or tips if you received any. Once you have your gross pay, you need to subtract mandatory deductions. These are legally required and include federal income tax, which is based on IRS tax tables and your filing status. You also subtract state and local income taxes if your state has them. Then, there are Social Security taxes and Medicare taxes, collectively called FICA taxes. These are set percentages of your gross pay. Next, look at voluntary pre-tax deductions. These are deductions you choose to make before taxes are calculated. Common examples are contributions to retirement plans like a 401(k), health insurance premiums, dental or vision coverage. If you contribute to a flexible spending account or a health savings account, those amounts are also deducted now. These reduce your taxable income, which can lower your overall tax bill. After that, subtract any after-tax deductions. These include union dues, wage garnishments, or other voluntary deductions taken after taxes. Once you subtract all these amounts from your gross pay, what remains is your net pay. This is the money you see in your bank account or cash envelope. From a legal standpoint, employers must follow wage and hour laws by accurately calculating your net pay. They need to provide clear pay statements showing your gross pay, all deductions, and your net pay. Deductions must be lawful and authorized, and your pay after deductions should never be less than the minimum wage. It's a good idea to review your pay stub regularly to make sure all deductions are correct and match your employment agreement. If you notice any errors or discrepancies, you have the right to ask your employer or file a complaint under wage and hour laws. Remember, understanding how your paycheck is calculated helps you see exactly what you earn and what is deducted. It keeps things transparent and fair, making sure your rights are protected every step of the way.